In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add Google Calendar to Notion step by step, so you can view and manage your schedule directly inside your Notion workspace. This is perfect if you use Notion for planning, task management, or team collaboration, and want your calendar visible in the same place. We'll go through the entire process from Google Calendar settings all the way to embedding it inside Notion. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion and productivity tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google Calendar. Make sure you're logged into the Google account that has the calendar you want to add to Notion. Once Google Calendar loads, look at the left sidebar where all your calendars are listed. Find the calendar you want to use inside Notion, then hover over it and click the three dots next to the calendar name. From the menu that appears, click on Settings and Sharing. This will open the settings page for that specific calendar. Scroll down until you find the section called Access Permissions or Shared With. Here, you need to make the calendar available publicly so Notion can embed it. Now, check the option that says Make Available to Public. If a warning appears, don't worry. This is just Google letting you know that the calendar will be viewable by anyone with the link. Click OK to confirm. If you're using this for personal planning, you may want to double-check that there's no sensitive information in this calendar before continuing. Next, scroll down to the Integrate Calendar section. This is where Google provides the shareable links for your calendar. Look for the public URL or embed link. Click on the link field to highlight it, then copy the entire calendar link to your clipboard. Once you've copied the calendar link, open Notion. Navigate to the page where you want the Google Calendar to appear. This can be a dashboard, a planning page, or any workspace you like. Inside the Notion page, click on an empty area and type /embed. From the menu that appears, click on Embed. A pop-up window will open asking for a link. Paste the Google Calendar link you copied earlier into this field. After pasting the link, click on Embed Link. Notion will now load your Google Calendar directly inside the page. You can resize the calendar block, move it around, or place it inside a layout column to fit your workflow. And that's it. You've successfully added Google Calendar to Notion. Now you can view your schedule without switching apps and keep all your planning in one place. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more Notion tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.